In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header in Wix. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Wix, you'll be able to follow along easily and get a clean header-free page for things like landing pages, thank you pages, or any layout where you want a completely custom look. First, go ahead and log into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. This is where you can manage your site, see analytics, and access all your tools. On this dashboard, look for the section for the site you want to edit. Under the setup area, move your eyes to the top right side of the screen. There, you should see a button that says Edit Site. Click that, and Wix will open your site editor in a new page or tab. Give it a moment to load, and then you'll be inside the Wix editor, where you can see your website layout and make changes. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical toolbar with several icons. Find the icon labeled Pages and Menu. It typically looks like a small page or list. Click on that icon to open your site's page list. A panel will slide out showing the site menu and all the pages you currently have on your website. In this list, find the specific page where you want to remove the header. Click once on that page name to select it. When you do, you'll see a small More Options icon appear to the right of the page name, usually represented by 3 dots. Click that icon, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Settings. This will open another panel dedicated to that page's settings. Inside this new panel, look for the section called Layout. Click on Layout to view the layout options for the page. Here, you'll see choices for how the header and footer are displayed. Select the option that says No Header and Footer. This tells Wix to remove both the header and footer from the specific page, giving you a completely blank canvas. Once you've selected that, you can close or collapse the open panels on the side to get a clear view of your page. Look at the top of the page in the editor, and you'll see that the header area is no longer there. And that's it. You've successfully removed the header in Wix for that page.